Moi oui. Ouais, je peux me la jouer Vovo, regarde. Par contre faut que je sois sur la centrale moi. Bah, je fais 30 kilos, qu'est-ce que tu veux que je fasse? Et 1, 2, et puis 2 ça suffit. Non, j'en veux pas. J'ai chaud après. Ah.
Il avait mis le casque et tout, il prend dans la main, il avait le casque.
Bah, mais dans la valise.
Non, j'ai du contact et tout.
Dans la poche.
C'est compliqué dans la vie.
Ah, les départs, c'est jamais simple. Hein.
Début du jour 3. Et là, on commence à sentir un peu la fatigue quand même. Mais bonne nouvelle. Pas de voisine grincheuse ce matin. Faut croire qu'on a été sage. Aujourd'hui, direction les Gorges du Verdon. Un classique, mais toujours un plaisir. Ensuite, on redescend vers Fréjus pour une petite baignade bien méritée. Et on finira la journée par un retour de nuit le long de la côte. Franchement, ça promet d'être une journée magique.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks, we finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplugged, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with a grand in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moving.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
On arrive dans les Gorges du Verdon. Je m'attendais à en prendre plein la vue, mais j'étais loin du compte. C'est juste dingue, les falaises, la profondeur, cette sensation de vertige, c'est le genre de voyage qui te fait sentir tout petit. Et même si à la caméra ça rend jamais pareil, en vrai, c'est vraiment un coupé de souffle.
Oh sa mère, on est chez Avatar. On est en Pandora là.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential, it's deep inside
try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, yeah. I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity and I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Je me disais putain vivement qu'on se refroidisse dans cette merde. Et tu vois,
Je vais faire pipi dans l'eau.
j'ai remarqué un truc, c'est que quand tu t'assois sur la selle conducteur et que tu mets tes pieds sur les repose-pieds arrière, bah c'est comme si tu étais en hypersport. Tu vois, longer la côte sera servi à quelque chose.
Faut mettre le contexte hein, quand même, parce que là...
Quoi, une hypersport avec des valises.
Putain, le pire c'est qu'il a raison.
On vient de se trouver un petit coin sympa pour se baigner. Franchement, l'eau était super bonne. Et après une journée comme ça fait un bien fou. Par contre, remettre le cuir après la baignade, une vraie galère, on va pas se mentir. Là, on va rejoindre les potes à Lolo pour aller manger. Et vu l'ambiance, ils sont chauds pour rouler avec nous un peu sur le retour. Ça sent une bonne soirée et un retour de nuit qui va rester dans les mémoires.
Taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. 'Cause I feel like taking off.
glass half wished. I know it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Wanna part, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay